Hi guys, welcome back to another adventure challenge. So we have a little bit of a funny story. We already know what we're doing because a few weeks ago we had scratched this one off and didn't want to do it. I read it in a way that said like get naked and paint each other, but that's clearly not what this is at all. Basically, it wants you to buy body paint and paint each other's body and take photos of that, but we're gonna change it up a little bit just because your girl has some body image issues and she doesn't want to deal with that right now. So we're gonna do face paint. And we're gonna paint each other's faces. So yours is, you have no face. You have half a face.
I guess your job is easy.
Oh my god, yes, I just realized that. I'm like, oh, we should paint each other's faces instead, and I'm just realizing you have half a face.
Well.
Anyways, we don't have face paint, so I'm sure we're gonna have to go get some face paint, and we're gonna head back to Michael's, which is like the only art store on the Cape that I really know of, and it's in Hyannis. So we're going up to Hyannis, we're gonna get some face paint, and we're gonna paint each other's faces.
Now, do I get to choose what I get to be?
Sure. Or do we choose?
I don't know. Like if I want to be an elephant, you can paint an elephant on my face? I don't know, let's figure it out. Okay. Let's go to Michael's.
Hi, we are at Michael's. You can see it back there. But I don't have my mask because we are in our new car and there are no like portable, like disposable masks in here. And my other one that I have all the time, I have like a stack of them in the Jeep and I don't have that in here. So I don't know where my regular mask is because I thought it was in my purse, but it's not in there. So Nick went in and he's grabbing some face paint. And luckily that's all we need because if it was a lot more, that would kind of suck. He wanted to go like buy a mask somewhere. I was like, no, just go in and buy face paint. So he's grabbing that now. Did you find it?
I found it.
It took a while. Did you walk around the store?
Yeah, I couldn't find it, and I don't think they had a lot of people working either.
Yeah.
Did you shut the car off?
I did shut the car off. What do we get? Oh yeah, face paint.
I got this too. Figure we could draw.
Oh, that's nice. Like outline it and stuff. Smart
and
thinking.
Then it was only a couple of bucks. I figured get these so we don't, if we can't find them.
Yeah.
But this one comes with one brush.
It does, yeah. Cool.
Yeah, that works, right?
Yeah. We stopped for some Dairy Queen because I was supposed to get Dairy Queen for Valentine's Day, but we didn't end up getting it. And then I've been just waiting for it ever since then. And look how, you see how good this looks? And then you got a mint shake or whatever. What's it called? Anyways, it looks good. We're home. Got it set up behind me. Let me show you what it looks like. Boom. So, face paints, face sticks. We're gonna sit in this chair. This one is gonna go like right behind him to the side. And it's going to be like our reference. So we can look at it when we're face painting each other. We decided that we're going to paint each other's faces without telling them, and then we're gonna show each other when we're done. And I realize we can't do this at the same time, so I think I'm gonna paint Nick's face first, and Nick's gonna paint my face first, and then we're gonna show each other. This is what we got so far.
I know there's blue and green involved, and it's all over my face.
He looks like the world.
Maybe I am. Maybe that's what you're painting me.
I wish I thought about that. You have these two little like skin pieces here. I don't know if I should do those or not.
It's up to you.
I botched this one. I literally should have kept him looking like the world. It was looking really good. I was feeling good about myself. And then until I started the part where I was gonna change and transform, it is not looking good. And I can't make it to look like how I really want it to look like. So here he is.
I have no idea.
Well, let me show you on the iPad what I was going for. Yep, that's what I was going for. And I got this.
I don't know.
Oh man.
I'll find out.
Sorry, I botched it.
You ready for your turn?
Yeah. I want to redo. Hey, Slim. Slim. What are you doing? What does mommy look like? Is it weird? What are you doing down there?
Yeah, I know. Now they can see what you look like.
Is it done?
No.
Oh my god. Do you like? Are you disturbed?
Oh man. I don't know if it's gonna turn out good. It looks so weird.
Okay, so our faces are painted. We haven't seen it yet at all. I'm about to flip the screen over on our camera so we can see it.
I'm very mad that I ruined your face.
I'm mad that I didn't do a good job.
I destroyed you. You look like a victim. Some kind of victim. I don't know.
Okay, are you ready? Will you flip the screen out? It's on your side.
Sure.
I'm so nervous. Oh my god.
Whoa. What is that? Am I a turtle?
Oh my god. I look like...
You did way better than I did. Wait, let me try and guess what I am. I feel like I'm a fish.
That's kind of what I was going for. Okay, so let me show you the photo I was going for. Where's my phone?
Oh man, this is gnarly.
Do you know what this is?
It's like you cut my... Oh, is this my flesh on the inside? What would that be?
That's what I was trying to do.
Oh, so I'm scaly?
So you're supposed to be like scales, and it was supposed to be like your underneath
like a
your
wound
flesh
on the inside.
Yeah, and then
that's
this
cool.
was this was the guide I was trying to use to make this.
Why are you doing something so elaborate? That's crazy.
That's not elaborate.
Oh.
You know what I look like? Do you know recess and those kindergartners?
Well, that's okay. So that's pretty much what I was going for.
I love this.
Look it.
Okay, yeah, I want to see. Wait, we didn't even see your reference photo. Let's show them the reference photo.
Oh, for
me.
Okay. Well, they didn't see yours.
Yes, I did. I showed them.
Oh, you showed them earlier?
Yeah, the reference. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, that looks cool.
Yeah, now compare it to this.
Okay, let's see. That is. I mean, it's going pretty
I
close.
followed the lines where the lines are and stuff. I just did it in the wrong order. I did white last, and white should have been first.
Yeah, you had a time.
Because it turned pink.
Wow, this is amazing.
How's that amazing? Go wash that off, right?
I mean, this might be mildly disturbing, but it's all fun and games. Thank you guys so much for watching this adventure vlog. It is, I don't even know what number it is. I don't even know what number. I think it's number 4. We had a lot of fun in this one. At first, we didn't want to do it just because I was like, I don't feel like really painting bodies and filming that. And then we changed it to face painting, and this was just way better, I feel like. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment. I do like to hang out in there and reply to comments. And we'll see you in another vlog. Bye. Say bye. Say goodbye.
See ya.